If you are an entrepreneur or business owner just getting started with Google, I have a few suggestions for you to get off on the right foot. Create a professional Google account for your business. You can sign up for a domain-specific email or a free Gmail with your business name. I suggest you have access to all of your Google tools with that one account. You'll be able to get a Google Calendar to organize your schedule and Google Drive space to keep all important documents and information for your business. Google Business is the first step in building a strong, trusting, and consistent relationship with Google. You need to add all of the details about your business to the profile, and then you must verify it. Proving that you are the business owner, you will be able to generate business directly from Google Search and Google Maps. If you don't have a website, that's okay. But if you do, you must add Google Analytics 4 to start tracking all of the activity of the users who visit your site. Knowing where people find your business and what they look at on your website will give you the information on improving your site and marketing strategy. These are the basic steps to get started. There are other steps to take to get to the top. I have a free resource that I call the Google Roadmap. Comment Google Roadmap below and I'll be able to send you a link to access it and a video series to explain each step.